Russia has once again sent a loud and clear message to the West, and this time the target was not any military base or any arms depot, but an American-owned factory, and that too in Ukraine. Before dawn on Thursday, two Russian cruise missiles slammed into an electronics plant in Mukashevo, a small town in western Ukraine, right near the Hungarian border. Well, the blast was massive. Flames engulfed the facility. Part of it was reduced to rubble and dozens of people were left injured over there. Now, here's the important detail. This wasn't just any factory. It belonged to Flex, a giant United States electronics company that, by the way, makes household appliances, things like coffee machines and consumer gadgets. No weapons, no military equipment, nothing could be linked to the particular war, but just everyday products were there. In the meantime, Ukrainian President Mr. Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed that at least 15 people were wounded and stressed that this was a civilian investment, a company that had been operating in Ukraine since 2012. At the time of the strike, nearly 600 workers were inside that particular plant. Can you imagine that? Hundreds of people just doing their job in a night shift, suddenly caught in a barrage of missiles. After that, local officials say that 1/3 of the entire factory were destroyed in that particular fire that followed. In fact, videos on social media showed thick black smoke pouring out of the wreckage, images that looked more like a war zone than an actual workplace. The strike was part of a much bigger thing. Ukrainian authorities revealed that in a single night, Moscow launched over 570 drones and 40 missiles across the country. This wasn't any one-off. It was a massive coordinated assault. But the world is asking, why target Flex, an American company? So, analysts believe that this was Russia's way of hurting not just Ukraine, but also the United States. Andy Hunter, who leads the American Chamber of Commerce in Ukraine, he said it very bluntly. Russia is humiliating the United States business. Russia is destroying their companies just to represent America's investment and credibility in Ukraine. It's a symbolic strike, by the way. Attack the US money, US presence, and US influence. And you know what? The timing also is very interesting here. This attack came just days after Mr. Donald Trump met with Mr. Volodymyr Zelensky in Washington and Mr. Vladimir Putin in Alaska. A delicate moment in geopolitics, America talking peace with both the sides, only for Russia to launch a strike that kills the optimism. So, here's a bigger question. What message is Russia really sending by bombing the United States' own civilian factory? That no investment is safe in Ukraine right now, that Washington cannot protect its own companies in Ukrainian soil, or simply that Moscow wants to remind the world Moscow can strike anywhere, anytime, and that too without any restraint. For Ukraine, this is yet another scar in a long war. For America, it is a wake-up call. Russia isn't just fighting Kyiv, it is going after the United States interests too.